Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert attachments in WPS Spreadsheet. So for example, we have here this worksheet, we have here column with name of list and column with attachments. So on the name of list we have a list of names and list of companies. If we would like to add here attachment for list of names, we need to select the cell where we want to insert this attachment. And after that, you need to go to Insert tab. It is very important to select this tab because here you can find something like File Object. We need to open the settings. And here we have two options. First one is File Object and the second one is Object. We need to select the first option, File Object, and now we need to select attachment which we want to implement in this spreadsheet. So for example, I select here names list, names files, and I click Open. Then it will be inserted here. So for example, if we want to open now this document, we need to click first outside of this box and then we need to click double time on this document. After that, the new worksheet will be successfully displayed here with data from attachment file. So it is how it works. If I helped you to use attachments in WPS Spreadsheet, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of a problem.